For more information, see the description below. Namaste.
See, now that Tatparya means I told you Tatparam.
Yes.
Right? Tatra means there. There means in that Adhikarana Tandrayukti. Okay? Tishtadi exist. Tishtadi means exist. So any particular topic is existing as there, as important there. Then that place is called as the context. Understood?
Clear.
A certain principle is given, most important in that place. That is why that is called the context of that topic. Okay?
Sure.
Okay?
Yes.
Now read the same Adhikarana Tandrayukti definition given by Kandakiraya. Little more
Here.
clear.
Adhikaranam nama.
Yad
Yada.
Adhikritya. Yad Adhikritya.
Why? Okay, you're saying yad.
Which is
Okay.
Tandrayukti? Which is the Sandhi? Yat plus Adhikritya. Yad Adhikritya. Which is Sandhi rule?
This is the common samasa. This is
Sandhi.
so it's going to be yadaha to have sandhi.
Yat plus Adhikritya. Yad Adhikritya. The first letter changes into
To a third.
third letter. Which is that?
You want the name?
Which is that? Which is that Sandhi?
The one that the first changed to the third.
Which Sandhi? Jastva Sandhi.
Justwa. This I didn't remember the name.
Okay.
Just
means
just
Jastu. Ja, Jastva.
Justwa. Okay. I
Yadu means
remember
that.
as Justwa. Okay.
Yadu means that which.
Okay.
Adhikritya means on that. Okay. Pravartade means exist.
Okay.
Shastra means science, principle.
Okay.
The principle exists on which.
Shastra.
The principle exists on which.
Okay. And this is
Sthanam. It can be a sthanam. It can be a
adhyaya.
sthanam. It can be a sthanam.
A place.
Sthanam, Sutra Sthanam, Sharira Sthanam,
Okay.
etc. Then it can be a
chapter.
adhyaya. It can be a chapter.
Okay.
Then
it can be a
prakarana. Prakarana means a small top collection of slokas. That is
Okay.
prakarana. Next one is vakyam. Sometimes a single sentence. This all can be called as.
Wow.
This all can be called as adhikarana.
Adhikar.
So Sutra Sthanam is a adhikarana to explain the basics of the summary of whole textbook.
Okay.
So Sutrasthana is a adhikarana.
Okay.
Under which what are you going to explain? All the shortest summary of
So this is the sthana.
Sutrasthanam
Yes.
is a adhikarana.
Okay.
Sharira Sthanam is a adhikarana for explaining about anatomical structure of. Clear?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Adhyaya. Ayushkamiyam is a adhikarana to explain about the means which are very much needed for longevity of life.
Okay.
Prakaranam, that I told you.
You're saying about-
Vayupittam kavaschedi triyodosha samasya vigrada deham. It's a prakarana,
Group of
small group of slokas. Clear? Chukrartavastejan madhavshenaiva vishakrame taisarasara prakradayo hinamatyottama samadhasamasta. It's a small prakarana to explain about
Prakriti.
three prakritis. Correct. Vayupittam kavaschedi triyodosha samasya. It's a sentence. It is a small context or adhikarana to explain about.
How many doshas there?
Clear?
Yes.
So even a single line is a adhikarana.
This is vakyam. To vak. No? To
Simple sentence.
Just
Can be a adhikarana. Sometimes a collection of slokas, that is prakarana, can be a adhikarana. Sometimes it will maybe a name of the chapter. It can be adhikarana.
Va is also.
Va means or.
Okay.
Either a sthana or an adhyaya or a small collection of slokas or a simple sentence can become adhikarana. Either a whole sthana or a chapter. I'll tell you, you're right.
Yes.
Or
Or
a
pravak.
chapter.
I want the Sanskrit name.
Okay.
Pra.
Sthanam.
No, yes,
Sthanam you
no,
wrote.
it's okay.
Ah,
Pra.
or adhyaya. Prakarana.
Okay.
Prakarana. Collection of slokas you write.
Okay.
Okay. Or even a sentence, Even
Vakyam.
a statement or sentence
Okay.
can become an adhikarana, if they are named to explain about a certain topic, Clear? Clear?
Okay.
So you can say that Sharirasthana is an adhikarana, is a context constituted to explain the anatomical structure of a physical body. Chikitsa sthanam is a context explaining about only the chikitsa
So,
of the diseases.
in the book of Sanjay, when we are reading about Susadya, in Sanjay book, he doesn't put together, as you taught me, that Sarvaushada Kshame Dehe, Yunapumsa Jitatmanaha, Amarmagolpa Hetu Agra Roparopan Upadravaha.
Yes.
Atulya dusha desha ritu prakritipada sampadi graheshwanu guneshu ekadosha margana vasuka. You put these 4 slokas together.
It's a prakarana.
You said, but he put only 2 and 2. So sometimes people interpret in different manner.
Yeah. See, I'll tell you, from Sukhasadhya, Krutshasadhya, Yapya, Anupakrama. For that full is a prakarana to explain about the types of yapas.
Okay. Okay. We are already doing somehow like this in a way, okay, as blocks.
Yeah. Then you know what is the advantage of knowing that context and the subject matter is going to be, all the words can be interpreted for the benefit of that particular knowledge. Then only the deepest knowledge in the science will happen.
Okay.
Simply Vayoho Ratri Muktanam Dentam Adhyadika Grama, if you study, you cannot understand. So
And
YSS.
usually, as I see people reciting, they recite only separate slokas.
That is wrong actually. You must know that this is a prakarana. It is dealing with this particular subject. So I have to understand everything in that for this topic that which is meant for. It's compulsory, it is compulsory. That is the way I am explaining the things to you people. First, context wise I am going. Each word you can. Guru in one context cannot be the guru in another context.
Okay. Otherwise it's going to be like parrots chanting slokas.
Simple.
Okay.
So that is why Tantra Yukti, Adhikaranam is considered as very important Tantra Yukti, because context is the best means to understand the meaning of each word under that.
Okay.
Clear? So I hope you understood. So
the
this
final
definition-
line is, the bottom line is, the context where which word should be understood. The context.
a context in which if a certain principle is given most importance, then it can be called as Adhikarana Tantra Yukti. This is what is you have to understand.
Okay.
This is for what purpose? This is for understanding the words in that context relating to the topic.
Okay.
If somebody asks you, how will you understand the Adhikarana in this particular chapters? How will you understand this chapter as an Adhikarana? If anybody asks you, you must say that there is a name given for the chapter heading. So we can understand that Ayushkami means the name given. That one who wish for long life is the heading. So whatever be the topic I am explaining under this context should be relating to this heading. So I can say this chapter is a Adhikarana for explaining this particular subject matter. Thus I call one chapter is a Adhikarana.
Okay.
I should be able to tell that. Shukrarthaste janma I should say that these 3 lines are called an Adhikarana to explain about Prakriti alone, nothing more. Okay, so I should understand it. Immediately I should understand what is Prakriti. What is Prakriti? Prakarshena karoti iti Prakriti. That which is giving a prakarsha, the most importance. You may have a physical body, it will be subjected to changes, but that which is not going to be changed, it is most important, that basic in you is called your Prakriti. So I am learning this for the purpose of the Prakriti. So what is the advantage of Shukrarthoste Janmadho Vishena Krame? Shukram means Arthavam means Bhavam. When these two join together, Janmadho, when they beginning. So I should understand this is only to know the Prakriti. That means the basic constitution happens in Shukrartho Samyoga. That is why I should understand Shukrarthoste Janmadho as the basic constitution of the body. Because this context is explaining about the Prakriti. Prakriti means nature of all my system. Not one system, the whole system. So it has the influence in the basic construction of my body. Here Prakriti is not the nature. Here the Prakriti is the body constitution. The term meaning of the Prakriti is not the nature, it is the body constitution. Clear?
Since we are speaking about Ayush, you should remove your cell phone from the
Yes, correct. Sure, 100%. 100%. Correct?
Correct.
Hope you understood.
Sure.
This is called Adhikarana. English they will translate Adhikarana as context.
Okay. Yoga?
Yoga next. Yoga we studied so many times in our classes. How it is?